Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to turn on or turn off camera grid lines on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Grid lines on your iPhone 17 Pro Max camera can help you frame shots better. So let me show you how to do that step by step. First of all, open Settings application and scroll down until you see Camera section. Tap here and you want to find here function that says grid, and you can toggle the switch on or off. If you prefer a clean screen without lines, then you have to disable it, and if not, if you want to have those grid lines, you want to turn it on. And once you've set it, you can open the camera application to see grid lines appear or disappear depending on your choice. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.